Serum differs from blood in option A, lacking clotting factors. Serum is the liquid portion of the blood after it has clotted, and it differs from blood plasma because it lacks clotting factors such as fibrinogen, which are consumed during the clotting process. So, blood in its whole form contains both clotting factors and serum components. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, lacking antibodies. It is incorrect because serum contains antibodies, that is, immunoglobulins, which are a part of the immune response. Option C, lacking globulins. It is also incorrect because serum contains globulins, which are proteins involved in immune function, then transport, as well as other roles. Option D, lacking albumins. It is also incorrect because serum contains albumins, which are proteins responsible for maintaining osmotic pressure and transporting substances.